Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this emergency radio. And it's not only emergency radio, no, it's a solar hand crank weather radio with a portable battery, AM, FM, shortwave and DAB. It's an NOAA radio with a timer display, flashlight, smartphone charger, SOS function, headphone jack. This is awesome for home emergency and of course if you are in outdoor activities. We have a big light crystal diode display and a headphone jack. Compare with other best-selling radios in the market. What makes this sort of radio stand out? It is big size LCD display. With it, we could get the low battery reminder, accurate time display, easily choose the AM, FM, shortwave, weather band mode, and we can lock the screen for preventing any accidentally press. We can adjust the sound volume as well. Additionally, the new 3.5mm headphone jack features allow us listen to audio more clearly by using our headset. And this, I think, is the power application thing behind this. The killer application is 5 power sources and rechargeable battery. This portable radio supports 5 power modes to keep the generator on power. We can use the micro USB cable to recharge it easily via our USB plugs. Or we use the smooth hand crank to supply. The sturdy solar charge could be an optional method. And this solar radio is upgraded to replaceable batteries, which can charge our smart devices, tablet or phone anytime. So we have here a power bank. We can even install 3 AAA batteries when we are not able to regenerate the power. So you can see the manufacturer here is thinking about nearly every situation. And NOAA certified emergency weather alerts access. This upgraded emergency radio will capture a superior and a stable signal reception with the telescopic antenna, upgraded DSP chips, and high-quality built-in speakers. It enables the NOAA alert function, and once a weather alert is received, there will be a loud warning siren. Sound and the alert icon on the large LCD display will flash to alert us the hazard weather is in our area, such as tornadoes, hurricanes, and severe storms. We have 2 brightness light sources and SOS siren to keep us safe. The emergency radio comes with a super bright 2 brightness level 3 watt reading lamp and flashlight for any dark places we are in and could substitute a original flashlight in a pinch. It also features an SOS mode. So if we get separated from a group while hiking or camping, we can emit a loud siren and flashing and signal light to our partners. We can hear and find each other. And easy to carry and nearly waterproof. The size of this weather radio is compact and lightweight. It is fitted with a strap and carabiners for attaching it to our belt or hanging it from a rope. And it is made of strong ABS materials, which is IPX3 water resistance. Very convenient to carry for camping, traveling, fishing, or any other outdoor activities. I think it's a really awesome device because of the 5 power supply, 5 modes, 5-way powered emergency radio. We have a large LCD display, AM, FM, SV, SW radio, SOS alert, reading lamp, flashlight, headphone jack. We can install 3 AAA batteries. We have a phone charger, a solar power crank charger, rechargeable battery is included. This is a real NOAA certified weather alert radio. Weather radio is an intentional tool to keep us safe for outdoor and emergency. When we stay in a location with frequent power outages or disasters prone areas, we will need one to alert us before the disease so we can get full prepared and keep us safe. There are more and more different brands of emergency radio shows up in the market. It is really hard to find a real reliable one, and this NOAA radio meets the NWS evaluations criteria for NWR. All hazard logos used, and they have obtained the approval to use the NOAA logo by National Weather Services. That's awesome. This is real cool because 5 ways to keep the radio under power: AC power, AA battery power, crank power, and solar power. And of course, that's awesome. I think it's really awesome. This NOAA weather radio has a lot of AM, FM transmitters. Crank power comes 250 MA, and AC power input interface is a micro USB. We take it anywhere we go. With that carry strap included in the package, it makes easy to carry on camping trips, and anything space is limited, so we can use it where we are. And what we are going to do is this little radio can come with us. We just hang it on our backpack. We listen to our music on hot headphones. We never worry about putting under rain. And it makes a good job. This is the awesome and good looking Rocam emergency radio. It's a solar hand crank weather radio with battery powered portable function, AM, FM, shortwave, and NOAA radio option, with timer, display, flashlight, smartphone charger, SOS function, headphone jack, and this is for home emergency, and this is for outdoor activities too. It is available in green and here shown in yellow. I think that the yellow one looks better, but this is up to you, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.